today. Ben zipped up, you can't show you. Yeah, got our matching Rex jumpers on. We'll be in that couple today, aren't we then?
Yeah.
It's extra magic time because we have we're not staying on site, but we have the Magic Plus annual passes, so we can get in earlier. It's cold today. You can see how foggy it is. But it says it should warm up a little bit later. But we don't mind. We're bundled up. I've got my sleeping bag on again.
She was cold yesterday.
No, I wasn't. I was when we got off the train at Disney Village. It was freezing then, wasn't it?
My teeth were chattering. My
teeth were chattering. But I had like leather leggings on, so the cold was just hitting my thighs, and it wasn't nice. But we moved. I'm all bundled up today. I've got like a little roll neck top on underneath my jumper to keep me warm. But yeah, just doing our usual morning walk to the park. We're a bit confused. Is it?
Yeah, just check.
We're a bit confused because there's like a crowd of people from our hotel walking to the park as well. And we've been turning right every day, and a lot of them just turned left. So we don't know which way that takes us to get to the park. Whether they were even going to the park, I don't know.
Most of them had Disney t-shirts on and masks, so I presume they're going to the park.
So maybe we'll try that route another day, but we're sticking to what we know this morning. Yeah. Look how foggy it is. You can't even see like Disney Village or anything there, can you?
No.
That's Newport Bay, though. Oh, not that you can tell, it's just trees. But yeah, we shall see you at the park. This is what we like to see, skipping the crowds straight down to the tiny annual pass line. Look at the Christmas trees. This is us walking the blue carpet, the Disney Plus Day. And the characters are in their special blue outfits for the day. There's Minnie and Goof up there. Oh, the Christmas decorations are up in here as well. Huh? The Christmas decks are up in here as well. Little lights around the partner's statue.
Welcome to Walt Disney Studios Park. For the safety and comfort of all, please walk to your first destination. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Seems nice and quiet around here. A little Disney Plus Day pin. Bonjour. Thank you. You too. So they're giving out little prezzies. So we've got a little Disney Plus Day pin badge. Should have got a spare one in case we lose it.
I'm not gonna lose that.
Ben's got his on, look.
Look at
that. So we're just gonna go in and get something to eat and a drink. We've just met some characters. So we've met Buzz and Jessie.
Yeah.
And then we also met Russell from Up. So that was fun, and we had to sign like a consent form because it is like a media event, to like confirm that we're okay having our pictures and stuff on the website or on social media. So whether we'll feature on anything, I don't know, but we shall see. But yeah, we're gonna go and get something to eat, and I think we might get a free little treat as well.
It will come on side purchases.
So we'll show you whatever it is. What's it called? Restaurant En Coulisse. I don't know how it's pronounced. To get some lunch. Ben's got a beef burger, premium cheeseburger, and then I'm just eating the fries that came with it. Just got Coke, and Ben's got a coffee. And then for Disney Plus Day, we did actually get a complimentary Disney Plus Day treat. So it's a little dessert. I have no idea what it is. I'm gonna try it once we've eaten our food. Is the burger good? Nice.
This is quite nice actually.
So yeah, how cute is that they give us a little present. And then I think I showed you earlier, we went and got those little pin badges. We've met some Ben's modelling his. Doing your favourite thing, zooming in on it.
You zoom in. Get all the zooms on there.
We've met characters.
We have.
We've done Slinky Dog.
We have.
Have we done any other rides? No, we've literally just done Slinky Dog. The park is pretty busy today. Because obviously this Disney Plus like media day event thingy-majig is on. The park is really busy. The wait times are high for pretty much everything. Like even the little rides.
There's a lot of people who have proper cameras as well, like.
There's a lot of media, like media guests, you know, like actual invited guests and stuff. With the media passes, so like when you're queuing, they're letting those in front of you, which isn't a problem. We don't mind, do we?
No.
But yeah, we're having a good day. We think we'll probably maybe go over to Disneyland Park in a bit and then come back over to Walt Disney Studios later on because we want to see the Tower of Terror thing that they're doing. They're lighting it up blue, aren't they? But yeah.
Doing like some form of display.
Like a grand finale. We don't know what it'll be. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see. We're having a good day up tonight.
First impressions of the... Oh, hang on. Oh, the lighting's gone weird. First impressions of the Disney Plus Day treat. What does it smell like?
I don't know. I'm a bit scared. Do you want to try it first?
No, you've committed. I think it's some form of mousse, personally. Does it smell like?
It smells like, you know when I'm making buttercream?
Yeah.
Before you put the icing sugar in it, when it's just whipped butter.
Right, do you want me to taste it? I can tell you nervous.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, it does,
It smells like butter.
That is...
Go on, brave it. Is it minging?
That is strange.
Is it minging? You don't look thrilled by it.
I don't know.
I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Is it butter? Is it just a lump of butter?
No, do you know what it is? It's like a citrus, like a lemon or a...
Does it taste citrusy though?
Yeah, it tastes citrusy. It's just a weird taste.
I'll try it.
I'll get a small bit.
I'll have to eat first.
Oh, don't eat the chocolate. Oh, you've full on devoured the full thing? It's weird taste, isn't it? Do you know what I think?
It's like
Texture. Almost tastes off.
no, it doesn't taste. No. Oh, it's got.
Oh, it's got. Oh, there we go. Hang on, let's. We found it. Some form of
A hidden centre.
hidden delight inside. Is that better?
It's alright. It's not my favourite.
I mean, it's alright.
You can have it.
So that looks like some form of raspberry. Oh, well, focus, yeah.
It's like jam. It's jam.
So yeah, at least it was free.
Yeah. I'm glad I didn't pay for it. Let's put it that way. I've got a few minutes, so let's start. We're watching the Disney Junior Dream Factory.
Yep, that's what we're watching.
Hi guys. Hello everyone. We've had a little half an hour, 40 minutes in the room, just let me sit down, getting the weight off our feet, just freshened up. Ben's got his Christmas spirit jersey on under his coat, and I've just changed into my big fluffy jacket. Oh, he's showing you. Star Wars Christmas spirit jersey that I bought for him. And I've just changed into a different jumper and my big fluffy Sherpa coat, so I'm nice and cosy because we're out for the rest of the day now. So plan is gonna go to Disneyland Park. Tartaniers are on because it's officially Christmas in the parks now. We've seen pictures this morning, all the scrim and everything is gone from around the tree. Decorations are up on Main Street, so we're in full Christmas spirit now, aren't we?
Attire.
So yeah, we're gonna go over there for a few hours, and then I think we're gonna go back over to Disney Studios later on, because we want to see the Tower of Terror like finale thing that they're doing for Disney Plus Day. So we've not got like a plan of like rides and stuff that we want to do, have we?
No.
I'm just gonna see
what
we fancy doing, see where the day takes us. Can you even see us? Is it dark? Yeah. We watched the Disney Junior Dream Factory show before.
Very good.
Don't know if we mentioned that after we watched it.
No, we had some little clips of it.
It was really good. Didn't really know what to expect, because obviously like Disney Junior's like proper kiddie, isn't it?
Like Vampirina. And
yeah, Vampirina and Fancy Nancy. But the actual like storyline of it was really cute, and it was just a good show, wasn't it? We enjoyed it.
It was like part French, part English.
Yeah, that was good. They did like both languages. Yeah, thoroughly enjoyed, would watch again. Our nephews would love that.
Yeah.
Definitely have to make sure we watch that if we come again with them. But yeah, just gonna walk to Disneyland. When we were walking back to the hotel before, we went the other way, didn't we?
We did. Went that
After
way.
we saw people walking left this morning, we came back that way, and I feel like it's no different time-wise.
It's broad as long.
It's as broad as long, really, but at least we know we have the option of going either way.
It looks like it's not as well lit though.
Yeah, for at night time. Ben reckons there's not as much light that way for walking back, but I'm sure it's adequate. But yeah, just waffling now, so we'll see you at Disneyland. At least on the walk this time we can actually see the Disneyland Hotel. It's not covered in fog. Nice blue skies now.
Well, it's warmed up quite a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot warmer now. seems to be the case like every day. It's been really foggy in the morning,
Yeah.
and then warmed up, like got blue skies, and then gone cold again at night. But yeah, at least we know what to expect.
Oh, Christmassy.
This is all festive. We're skipping the crowds again and going.
Yeah. Skippy skipped.
I've left the cards in my other coat.
Have you actually?
Joking.
I'll tell you what, I was just about to deck you. Boom! I wasn't really. For all intents and purposes, I would. Disclaimer, I would not deck Natalie. It's a joke. Somebody else is all Christmassy. Check the Christmas fit.
I'm sure for tartaniers on. These are from Warm Hunting Ears car. And I got my Christmas cookie lounge fly on. Finally getting to use this. A year later.
Yep. Only 12 months later.
It looks so nice and festive, doesn't it? All the baubles and the trains in as well. Oh, I love it.
Oh, you ruined my shot.
Why?
Christmas!
You are not even ready to see this view. Oh my god. So festive. Look! The Christmas tree! And all the little trees. The snow mice. You can see the castle looking all pretty in the back as well. Oh, I love it. Look at these and the ducks. Look. How cute. Looks well nice, doesn't it? So this is all what they were doing behind the scrim the other day. Doing all the trees and the little characters. All the banners are up along Main Street as well. All the banners are up along Main Street. See, we didn't see the Halloween ones, did we? Because they took them down before we got here. And the castle's just fully revealed now. So nice. Should go and check out the Christmas treats. I feel like we do a snack, do you, Ben? We went to the candy store thing to get snacks, and with Ben's just eating the marshmallow we forgot to show you, but we got a Mickey double-sided marshmallow thingy, and then some more cake pops. But we're just on our way to the Lion King show to hopefully get in. I'm not sure if we will, but we'll try. And then I'm not really sure what we're going to do for the rest of the day. So busy today. This is the busiest we've seen it yet, isn't it? But yeah, hopefully we'll get in the show.
We just called it Casey's Corner for a light bite. Me and that got the same thing, hot dog with the crispy onions, got a chips to share. Natalie is the world's...
Main Street.
I like it.
In action trying to get a picture.
So I've gone for a Sprite, that's gone for a Coke. And yeah, she got...
showing the thing, it's not like you can see anything.
Yeah, and I got pooed on whilst waiting, well, whilst pausing to take a picture.
Pause, I wasn't paused.
Not what you were. Oh. Look at them chips.
So we were just sat in at Casey's Corner and a little announcement came over saying that the parade was starting. So they must be doing like a soft opening of the Christmas parade today. So we've just come, like we came through the arcades at the side of Casey's, come up to like the top of Main Street near the entrance and exit. I'm gonna watch the parade from here and then go over to studio. So we're so excited to see it. We didn't think we were gonna see it till tomorrow, did we? No. So yeah, apparently it's really good. We had a look online and they did one earlier today as well. So I think we might be seeing like the evening version of it now. So I'll text some little clips so that you can see what it's like. Top tip for the parades, get yourself a spot behind the bin and then there's no obstructions for the view.
Hey!
outdoors now for, how long's left? An hour?
Yeah.
Until the park closes. Hopefully we'll see the blue Tower of Terror.
Yep.
Maybe sneak some rides in.
See what we can do.
Fingers crossed. But the little entranceway is all still lit up blue. I'll show you in a second. Oh, it's warm in here.
Is that good in the blue arm?
Huh?
Is that the blue arm?
I know, yeah. Mickey and Pluto are up there. Oh, sorry, Ben. In the blue carpet.
Yeah.
Famous.
Down on the blue carpet.
Look how nice the partner statue looks with all the little lights around it. And everywhere pretty much is lit up blue. People are already congregating over there, so I'm guessing that might be the best place to see the lighting of Tower of Terror. I think we might ask a cast member just to get a bit more info on like what time that's going to happen, because we don't really want to go and get on a ride
There's some people over there.
and then miss it. There's some what?
Some people over there with eyes on the back.
With eyes on the back. Information.
Yeah.
Information. So I'll go and have a nosy.
This exceptional day in its own special way.
That was so good. Obviously it wasn't like a fireworks show. We were just expecting it to literally just light up blue. But they did like projections on it, didn't they, of like water and like the blue going up. It was really cool, and there was fireworks. And I just said to Ben, kind of makes my heart happy that the first fireworks that we've seen in a park came off my favourite ride. Ben's not interested. Ben's just thinking, I'm cold.
I am cold.
But we're just walking over to Ratatouille now. We're going to try and get some rides in before the park closes. So hopefully we can get this done and then maybe jump in line for Crush before the park closes. But hopefully we'll let you know. Look how nice this area looks at night, all lit up. Oh, look at the baubles.
Oh, cute, aren't they?
I can't really see. And then there's loads of little huts along this side, so hopefully they'll be open tomorrow. Some nice treats.
Ima.
Look at the fountain. Oh, it all looks so nice. Looks well nice all lit up.
It does look nice.
Ratatouille was posted. It was 25 minutes. We waited 12.
Yeah. Major W.
Huh?
Major win.
I was thinking, what do you mean major W?
It's a win.
So there's like 13 minutes left until the park closes. So we'll go get in line for Crush if they'll let us.
Yeah. They should do. Can't see why not. Looks good though. Change of plan, guys. Cross-trees look like they're down, didn't it?
We had the lines across the wait time.
Have the lines across the... So they're down or they're not letting anybody queue up. So we're back to RC races. Do that and then head back. Get some tea.
If we get off of RC races in time to do the parachute.
We'll see.
Just our luck as we got to the front of RC races.
We were literally
on our number.
Yeah.
We were the next people to get on it, and it went down.
Yeah.
So they had to get like the technician people to come over, and they just basically said that they were going to have to like close the queue.
Yeah. It was after hours anyway when it was like 20 to 7.
Yeah. So we couldn't even go and try and get on anything else.
I think they just thought, oh, we can't, you know,
Can't be bothered fixing it.
can't bother fixing it tonight, we'll do it morning.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. So we've just left studios, just going over to Disney Village. I'm gonna go and get some tea somewhere. So we're back at the hotel now. We did go and queue at Vapiano to like go and have a sit down meal, but the queue was just horrendously long and it didn't seem to be moving. So we've made an even better decision. I feel like the lens is fogging up because it's warm in here and it's been freezing outside. We've made a better decision. We've come back to the hotel, gonna get showers, get in our pyjamas, and we're gonna deliveroo a Vapiano. We've checked on the app and they deliver here, so we're going to eat pizza in bed, which I think is way better than eating it in the restaurant. So yeah, we're going to order that in a minute. I'll show you the food when it comes, but other than that we're not going to be doing anything else tonight, so we'll probably end the vlog here. So we'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Is it day 4, Ben? Tomorrow?
No, it's day... Yeah, no, it's day 3, tomorrow's day 4.
Yeah, day 4. Sorry, Ben's in the bathroom. But yeah, tomorrow is our last full day in the parks. Hopefully we'll be able to get up early, go and do extra magic time and just have a full day of fun in the parks. Definitely probably going to spend most of our time in Disneyland Park tomorrow, just because it's like the official start of Christmas. So we want to see the parade again, but like the daytime version, and to be honest we will probably watch the nighttime one again because it's so good. And then I think there's a few other bits going on in the parks. Pardon me, I know there's like a singing, a choir show. I don't know whether it's the new version of Mickey's Christmas Big Band. I know my friend Molly was telling me how much she loves that show, but when I was looking on the list on the app earlier I couldn't see that listed, but I could see the new choir one. I can't remember what it was called. I don't have my phone near me. Can't remember what it was called, but it looked like a similar kind of thing. It had like the characters in it as well as the choir, so hopefully we'll be able to see that. And we want to watch the Festival of the Lion King show as well. We did go and get in the queue for that earlier, or try to, and then as we got there they turned us away and said that it was full. So hopefully we'll be able to get that done tomorrow. We just need to like try and box off a lot of the things that we've not done yet tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have a bit better luck with rides than we have today, because I feel like things have just kept breaking down on us today, but it's fine, we've had a good day anyway. But yeah, gonna go and have a shower, get in my comfies, rest my feet, because me and Ben are both aching today. We've just done, I don't even want to know how many steps we've done like over the past few days. But yeah, gonna go and get in my pyjamas. Bye.
So guys, Vapiano's decided that they couldn't fulfill our order, cancelled it. Oh, disgraceful. So we had to go to somewhere else. So this is what we've got. Fresh burrito. That's pretty good actually, to be fair. And nachos. So what we've gone for is, what was it called, Matt?
Ooh.
It was a box, wasn't it, of some description?
Yeah, a box. You make your own.
Burrito box. So we've got all our proteins.
Choose your meat, sauces, there's rice with it.
Yeah. So yeah, we get to make our own.
Yum.
So yeah, this is from Fresh Burrito. I'll let you know how it tastes soon.
Deliveroo.
Yeah, and we got €15 off.
Because we've never used Deliveroo, because we don't have it near us. We got €15 off a €20 order.
Yeah. So it should have been €30.50. It come to like €17 from delivery.
Pretty good, isn't it? What a palaver.
What the food's on the table, man?
Our tea is here on the table.
Oh, I don't even reach my fork.
Our tea is here on the table. But yet we are bundled up in our coats. Ben went downstairs in his Spirit jersey, hoodie and flip-flops. Just as we were about to start tucking in to our tacos, burritos, whatever they are, the fire alarm started going off. I feel like it would only happen to us. Look at the state of me. I washed my hair. I haven't even dried it. I was literally just letting it air dry. I'm in my pyjamas. Just chucked some boots on. Honestly. We went downstairs. We literally jumped up, put my coat on super quick, put on the easiest shoes I could find, ran downstairs, got to the front, and the lady, well, we didn't really know what was happening because we couldn't see anybody else. And then it looked like there was only us that had like left our rooms. There was somebody waiting for the lift. How stupid is that? But then we got round to, because we came out of like a side entrance, we got round to reception. There was some people outside, some people like in the main reception area. Anyway, the lady was like, everything's alright. Everything's fine, you can go back to your rooms. But the alarm was still going off, so people were still coming down. I don't know what happened, whether it was like a false alarm or somebody's... Pardon? Yeah, we saw somebody come down wrapped in a duvet. I don't know what's happened, whether there was like just some smoke from something like completely innocent that made it. Yeah. You know, if somebody was cooking in one of the rooms or something, because we do have like these little kitchenette things, so maybe somebody was cooking, I don't know. But there's no fire. There's no fire, that's all that matters. But we've probably now got cold burritos, so it is what it is. We're going to eat these and then go to bed and hope that tomorrow is less of a write-off.